Ever noticed your Highlander's rear AC just stops working out of nowhere? It's frustrating, especially on hot days. Let's figure out what's going on and how you can fix it. First, check the basics. Make sure the rear AC is turned on at the front controls. Double-check the fan speed and temperature settings for the rear passengers. Sometimes it's just a simple mix-up. Next, listen for the rear fan. If you don't hear it, the problem could be a blown fuse. Find your Highlander's fuse box, usually under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Look for the AC or blower fuse and swap it with a new one if it's blown. If the fuse is fine, move on to the cabin air filter. A dirty filter can block airflow. Check your owner's manual for its location, pull it out and see if it's clogged. Replace it if needed. Still not working? The next step is to check for blocked vents in the rear. Make sure nothing is blocking them. Sometimes a dropped toy or bag can do the trick. If you've tried all these steps and the rear AC still isn't working, it might be time to see a mechanic. But often, these simple checks can save you time and money. Don't sweat it. Your Highlander's rear AC is fixable.